pictures, just they jumped around. They never, they weren't consistent with the Bible. It was always just, yeah.
Well, there's not like a pure path where you go like we're going to start on Exodus 1, and we're going to go all the way to Leviticus 6.
Yeah.
Straight through.
Yeah. That's what I had. That's the problem I have.
It's hard to follow what their plan is. I don't know, my dad's messages were always pretty much peace, love, your neighbors, that kind of stuff. Second is like that, love your neighbors as much as you love yourself. They love these guys, but you don't love them because they're gay, or you don't love them because they're buttholes.
No, because I like in the Old Testament, all my nieces and stuff, oh, you're just hate, you're just hate, that's all hate speech, you're hate, but no, you have
no, I don't think people don't understand. Well, I'm going to move the table. But think about Jesus was all the old law doesn't apply because of what Christ has done for everybody. He's a love person, not what they're doing. Hopefully they will see the error of their ways.
Yeah.
That's what we're supposed to do. But you know, you can't be so. That's not what you do. And that's
it's their problem if they don't change.
Stuff is $100. I think I can get a folding ladder for cheaper.
Well, we have a little small one like that, but I'm at the max range. It's like 250 to 300, and I'm right around 250.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you don't have a light like that, do you?
No, we tried and it kept falling.
Oh.
We don't have one under the cabinets like you do.
Oh. Yeah, I have to use that one to do dishes.
Yeah, but we took the covers off because you can't see. So we have all the covers stacked.
I'm surprised Bill hasn't said anything.
He doesn't come down into our house too much. Joanne does, but
And she doesn't say anything?
I don't think she knows about that kind of stuff. So.
She probably, Bill would be the one that would know. He would see it. And him and his...
He came around to the paper. Because there's no way he can get across the street.
Yeah. Okay. Crazy ass crap. See now with that fan, I'm gonna ask Brad because Brad was complaining. I'm gonna see if I before the summer. I'm gonna see if I can hire the electrician. Buy that one because that's $40.
Yeah.
And there's hire an electrician and have two fans like that. See now that'll work. I can get that with that letter.
This is easy to do. I mean, Bill did ours.
Oh.
So I mean, I don't know if you say pay Brad $40.
No, he won't do it.
He won't do it.
No, it's in the lease. He doesn't. So I don't do like.
Could do it or something. Like,
Yeah.
If I can get turned around and park right here.
Yeah, because punk ass kid was parked out in the way.
You stand in the space so we can get
If
it.
somebody comes, they'll jump on him. Yeah.
I don't know.
They can't see, so be careful.
Yeah, you're safe, kitty.